right, Grace, this is what you need to do. Let's say that you have a drawing here and you want to get blocks into here from another drawing file. So the first thing you're going to do is in AutoCAD, find your design center. Now I have mine on the left as a flyout tab because I use it a lot. The second thing you're going to do is first of all know exactly what file has the block in it that you want. And what's really cool is that you can navigate here. So you don't have our library, but you do have the Kurtz job. So you can go to DWG, come down here to, let's just say we're gonna steal something from Perry Farm. And in Perry Farm, we have main.dwg. So I know that in this CAD file, in this floor plan, we're going to have all kinds of toilets, sinks, tubs, showers, doors. So over here, you click blocks. And AutoCAD is, there's a lot of blocks in this file, getting them all ready. So from right here, you have every block at your disposal. There's even a plant, and you can drag it over and drop it in your CAD file. It is that simple. And if you toggle back over to your design center, all I did was move my mouse, you can grab the next one. And if you want to, this is saying, hey, do you want to edit the attributes? I usually just pick cancel. So back over to design center. Now you want a sofa. There you go.